Welcome to the world of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship in the most extraordinary ways. This art form not only allows artisans to express their skills but also offers a unique opportunity to enhance living spaces with beautiful, functional creations. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just beginning your journey, this exploration will inspire you to think outside the box and consider how your craft can transform everyday environments. From custom furniture pieces that add character to homes, to intricate decor items that tell a story, woodworking opens the door to endless possibilities, making it a rewarding pursuit both personally and economically. As you delve deeper into this craft, you'll discover that woodworking is more than just a means of making products. It's about creating lasting connections with customers who appreciate the artistry and thoughtfulness behind each piece. Today's consumers are increasingly drawn to unique, handcrafted items that reflect their values and individuality, making the market for custom woodcraft thriving. By focusing on quality, sustainability, and innovative design, woodworkers can not only meet the practical needs of their clients but also contribute to a growing appreciation for artisanal skills. Join us as we explore the various facets of woodworking, uncovering ideas and strategies that can help you transform your passion into a profitable venture. If you're enjoying the content and find value in our exploration of woodworking, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring ideas and tips. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating valuable content for woodworking enthusiasts like you. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow craft lovers who might benefit from these insights. We encourage you to stay with us until the end, as we have even more exciting projects and expert advice lined up that you won't want to miss. Join our community, and let's embark on this woodworking journey together, turning your creative dreams into reality. Woodworking is not merely a hobby, it is a profound art form that marries creativity with craftsmanship. Artisans have the ability to take raw materials and transform them into functional pieces that enhance the beauty and utility of living spaces. This transformation is rooted in an understanding of materials, techniques, and design principles. The tactile nature of wood, combined with its natural variations, allows for an endless array of possibilities, making every piece unique. As consumers increasingly seek items that reflect their individuality, the allure of handcrafted wooden products grows, positioning woodworkers to meet this demand effectively. In today's consumer landscape, personalization has become a key factor driving purchasing decisions. Customers are no longer satisfied with mass-produced items. They desire products that resonate with their personal tastes and lifestyles. Custom woodworking projects allow artisans to tap into this trend by creating tailored solutions that meet specific needs. This could involve designing furniture that fits perfectly into a particular space or crafting decorative items that reflect a customer's style. The ability to offer customization not only enhances customer satisfaction but also builds loyalty, as clients are more likely to return for additional tailored pieces. Sustainability has emerged as a crucial consideration for modern consumers, who increasingly prioritize eco-friendly products. Woodworkers can capitalize on this trend by sourcing reclaimed wood or utilizing sustainably harvested materials. By emphasizing environmentally responsible practices, artisans can attract a niche market of eco-conscious buyers who value sustainability as much as craftsmanship. Furthermore, each piece crafted from reclaimed materials tells a unique story, adding intrinsic value and appeal. By aligning their work with sustainable principles, woodworkers can not only contribute positively to the environment but also differentiate themselves in a crowded marketplace. Functional woodworking is all about creating pieces that serve practical purposes while also being visually appealing. Today's consumers are looking for items that not only enhance the aesthetic of their spaces but also provide solutions to everyday challenges. For instance, furniture that incorporates hidden storage can be particularly appealing to those living in smaller homes. By focusing on designs that merge utility with beauty, woodworkers can create products that stand out in a competitive market. This blend of functionality and design not only meets consumer needs but also enhances the overall experience of using the product. Identifying and targeting specific niches can significantly enhance a woodworker's profitability. Rather than trying to appeal to everyone, focusing on particular demographics or market segments allows artisans to tailor their products and marketing strategies effectively. For example, creating items specifically for pet owners, such as custom pet furniture or accessories, can tap into a passionate market. Similarly, catering to specific design styles, like mid-century modern or farmhouse chic, can help woodworkers attract customers who are searching for pieces that align with their home decor. By honing in on a niche, artisans can foster a loyal customer base and differentiate themselves from competitors. The rise of e-commerce has transformed the way artisans sell their products. Online marketplaces such as Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and even social media platforms provide woodworkers with an unprecedented opportunity to reach a global audience. By creating an engaging online presence, artisans can showcase their craftsmanship and connect with potential customers worldwide. Effective use of high-quality images, compelling product descriptions, and strategic marketing can drive traffic to their stores. Additionally, engaging with customers through social media helps build a community around the brand, fostering loyalty and encouraging word-of-mouth referrals. In woodworking, quality is paramount. Consumers are willing to invest in high-quality, well-crafted items that promise durability and aesthetic appeal. By prioritizing craftsmanship, woodworkers can create products that not only meet but exceed customer expectations. This commitment to excellence is evident in every detail, from joinery techniques to finish quality. When customers perceive a product as being well made, they are more likely to recommend it to others, leading to positive referrals and repeat business. In a market where mass production often compromises quality, artisanal craftsmanship stands out as a hallmark of value. Establishing a strong brand identity is essential for woodworkers looking to differentiate themselves in a competitive marketplace. A cohesive brand that reflects the artisan's values, style, and story can resonate with consumers, attracting those who share similar aesthetics. This identity extends beyond the products themselves. It encompasses the overall customer experience, including packaging, marketing materials, and online presence. By effectively communicating their mission and vision, woodworkers can cultivate a loyal following that sees their products as more than just items for sale, but as part of a lifestyle. Collaboration can be a powerful tool for woodworkers seeking to expand their reach and creativity. By partnering with other artisans, such as textile makers, metalworkers, or ceramicists, woodworkers can create unique, multifunctional pieces that bring together diverse skills and aesthetics. These collaborations can lead to innovative designs that appeal to a broader audience. Additionally, cross-promotion between artisans can enhance visibility and attract new customers, as each party shares their products and stories with their respective audiences. Collaborative projects can also foster a sense of community within the artisan world. Ultimately, woodworking is about more than just creating products. It's about building a lasting legacy. Each piece crafted by an artisan carries with it a story, a reflection of the creator's passion and dedication. By focusing on craftsmanship, sustainability, and community engagement, woodworkers can leave a meaningful impact on their customers and the communities they serve. This legacy fosters pride in their work and encourages future generations to appreciate the art of woodworking, ensuring that the craft continues to thrive. Thank you for watching our video. We truly appreciate your time and enthusiasm for woodworking, and we hope you found the ideas and insights inspiring. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting projects and expert tips that can elevate your woodworking skills. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and fellow enthusiasts who might also benefit from these creative ideas. Your support not only helps us grow our community but also motivates us to keep producing valuable content. We look forward to seeing you in future videos, where we'll continue to explore the wonderful world of woodworking together.